Wow. I say wow. Is it day 2 on Ice Age TV of the Honda Talon adventures of putting on the rear window, the front windshield, and now we've got the rear view mirror and the Talon side mirrors. But I have so many projects, so many vehicles. The dog wants to chase the Talon. We're not doing that right now. And for the record, on my channel, I've been handing out money. I've been hiding money in various parts of my shop. Andrew Jackson, Ulysses Grant, Benjamin Franklin, and people just can't seem to find that $100 bill, Benjamin Franklin, in my shop. But it's still active. He's still present. Maybe watch my channel. If you can tell me where that Benjamin Franklin is, then you're going to get a $100 bill mailed to you. But now it's all about the how-to video on how to put on the side mirrors and the rearview mirror. So stay tuned for more Talon adventures. Oh my goodness. All right, so here it is, the new Honda Talon that has the Jackson Racing Turbo on this unit. We can show you that a little later if you didn't see it yesterday. But yesterday I spent the good part of the day putting in the rear windshield. Then the front windshield was a little bit more work because it just didn't play out the way I wanted to. It's in, but I still don't have the struts to open up all the way. So now what I do is put on the rear side mirrors. And if you watch my channel, you'll know that yesterday, that was initially the plan, was to put on these rear exterior side mirrors. And my concern was, you know, Kiefer boy thinks we're going to go play. My concern was, I got to thinking, I don't want to put this thing on until I put the windshield on. Because I've had other Talons where the windshield becomes interference. I don't think on this application, with the way this windshield's set up, I think I'm going to be okay. This does twist out. So this is the left side, and it's got a bracket. So the question is, can I get that bracket through that area? Which we're going to look at that right now. All right, now, I'll tell you what, it's really interesting is how this doesn't have like a rubber, I'm surprised there's no rubber material included on this to maybe make it grab a little better, but maybe it makes it too big. Kiefer, that dog there about drive you nuts. Yeah, he will. Yeah, trust me. So, but here's the trick. You got to put this little nut inside here. See there how it's already got a little area for that? And over all the years of me putting things together, what you learn is that's going to fall out. That will fall out and on the ground. So if you're smart, you'll get some painter's tape. See right here? You get some like painter's tape. Put it over that nut. Just put that over like that, so that now it doesn't fall out. It doesn't fall out and you lose it. So it's kind of hard to show what's going on here, but basically this is going to wrap around one end to the other end, but it's going to be more like in this side here. And see what I'm saying? If I didn't have that tape there, that little nut would have already fallen on the ground. All right, there it is. But you know, I don't understand why they don't give you a rubber type of thing. Is this thing, it moves. I mean, see there, look at that. See, there's no doubt in my mind running down the road, this thing's gonna move. I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna get my own rubber. I'm gonna put rubber in there to grab it. So this is the right way to do it, but this just makes no sense to me. I tell you, these people that make stuff, man, I think they're incompetent. I really do. I think these guys, the company, what's this company's name? Honda. It's Honda. These guys are a bunch of dumbasses. You don't give you any rubber. I'm sure people have done accessories. A little rubber pad will make it so it won't turn. I think I have rubber around here. What a joke. Oh, you got to be smarter than the book or the mirror. So what I did, I got my Gorilla Tape out. This Gorilla Tape is excellent stuff. It really works. I think it's better than the Flex stuff. I've heard the Flex stuff ain't that great. So I just put the Gorilla Tape around the bar, and now this thing's not moving. This thing is solid as all get out. I'm pushing very hard right now. So if anybody out there is doing this, highly recommend get some good Gorilla Tape. It's better than regular duct tape, and do what I did. And sure, some may be like, it's tacky. It's an outdoor freaking machine to go beat the crap out of yourself and mud it all up and about sink it or roll it. So who cares? And I use this stuff in my pool to salvage it from freaking falling apart. No lie. So, hey Honda, I don't know what you guys' act is, dude. You can't sell this stuff you're supposed to have, it's probably right up underneath here. No, it's not. Dumbasses. Now, how do I know this is the right mirror? Because the Honda, see, Honda's not upside down. If this Honda was upside down, they'd be like, oh, we got the mirrors backwards. All right, so same thing here is I'm just going to take my Gorilla Tape and I'm going to wrap it around the bar. It doesn't have to go all the way around, just 2/3 of the way around, and you'll be fine. I got a blade in my mouth. I got a blade in my mouth. It's kind of hard to talk. See that? Yeah. Losing it. Ah, he's got a blade. Look out. Good deal, good deal. So that's a huge difference with the Gorilla Tape. This does not move. I mean, this thing does not move. I'm shaking the whole unit right now. I mean, there's no way that'll work. But keep in mind, if you're smart, you're going to go to the store, you're going to buy black colored Gorilla Tape, unlike the silver colored tape, because that's like really stupid if you put silver. Only way you'd hide it is you'd have to trim this all out, which you could, but this Gorilla Tape, I think, is superior to other duct tapes. So there it is. And I'm going to get little convex mirrors, but here's, see, I can already see already where the position that one mirror is, that I may not even be able to see that. I may have to redo that, because I can already see if me sitting in the unit, this is already, I can't even see it, so hold on here a second. Okay. I repositioned it a little higher up, and now I feel like when I get in the unit here that I'll be able to see that mirror. My other unit, that was a big problem. Now, the dogs are going to go nuts because they're going to think I'm going to go drive this thing. So they're going to all go, nope, nope, we ain't going nowhere. Nope, stop it. So that's pretty cool. So I can see that mirror and I can adjust it. And same here with this mirror. You can adjust it as well. Jump ups. So there you go. So now I've got rear view mirrors, and now when they're little convex mirrors will really help out a lot better because they're such small mirrors on a good size unit. So now on to the rear view mirror is the next. What I tell you, all the dogs think I'm gonna drive this thing, and so they're all going nutty because they think I'm gonna drive it, and I'm not. Right, Scotty? You're going to go nutty, so don't get in that. No, these guys will all jump in this vehicle thinking they're going to go for a ride. All right, so now it's the UTV rear view mirror. This is just a generic, you know, it fits all types of different types of machines, even tractors. So, oh no, that's the ATV, the side-by-side. All right, so now onto this. What do we got here? Now, these guys understand how to make things. So look here. See that little rubber I was talking about? That helps that grab and not slip and turn. So this looks pretty simple. Looks like I'm just going to take this apart on the top. It's got like a little door, and it's going to go around the bar. Hopefully this bar is actually not too big for it. We'll find out. Oh, what a drag. What a total drag. I'm going to have to take this windshield, loosen it all up to get this thing through here, because this windshield goes all the way up to the top here. And so I got to take the roof, unscrew the roof, then I got to find a spacer for the roof, then I got to unbolt these here. That just doesn't end, man. It's just never simple. So I should have put the rear view mirror on before I put this freaking windshield on. Incredible. Oh, the projects, man. Think about putting things together. If you've ever really done this stuff, you get to understand how you put something all together only to turn around. You have to take it all apart to do something. If you're going to watch my channel, you'll see that what I had to go through yesterday to get this windshield on, and now I'm having to basically take it all apart again to get this freaking rear view mirror thing in this vehicle. Oh my gosh. Oh, another just a pain in the freaking ass. So anybody out there, if you're gonna put a rear view mirror in, you can't have a windshield in first. You gotta have the windshield out. Now I'm trying to put this thing together in here, and it's hitting the windshield to spin it in. So now I'm gonna have to take apart this assembly, and hopefully that it goes back together properly to put this on, because you can't spin this mirror. It's so freaking stupid. You hit the windshield. So just a really bummer, because I'm having to redo everything I've already done. So it just sucks. Well, this has turned into a project. What a joke. Total joke. In so many ways, I've been better off just loosening the frickin' loosening the windshield up right here with these 2 bolts. But forget it. I'm too deep into it now, so I took the whole mirror apart. Now I'm going to have to put it all back together, because it's just only way it's going to work is by me now screwing this thing up into that fitting, and then put the whole mirror back together in the unit, which that's going to be very, very challenging. All right, we're making headway, but now we got these little itty bitty screws to deal with, which that's a little nerve-wracking. Let's see how that plays out. But we got it in, and I got this thing really tight, so it's not going to bounce around. This thing gets bounced around a lot, so oh my goodness. Now, if you don't have a magnetic tray, use some tape for these little screws. I got one started, so I'm in good shape right there. No keep, right gaining nowhere. Okay, I got it. That was a lot of work, because that's huge. As you can see, that's huge. Take off this little clear part here. Now that I'm done doing all the work, to be able to look out that back is huge for me, so that's nice. We're getting there. Now I gotta put the roof back together and the windshield back together. Oh boy. And wham, wham, bam, slam, damn, it done. Wow. What another project. Great project. I did take pictures of the Honda Accessories Talon side mirrors. Expensive as all hell. Jeez, but I got a discount, just so you know. Same thing here. Part numbers, took pictures. If you're interested in those, if you're Honda Talon, and you learned hopefully a lot from me, being that in this Super ATV windshield, you have no problem putting your rear view mirrors on, and will have no effect of how you install your windshield. May get in your way when you're trying to do it, maybe a little bit, but for the rear view mirror, you got to put that on before you put the windshield on. Otherwise, no go. And that was a problem with the last one, but here it is. Now I'm going to go and do the rear Honda Accessories Talon half cargo box. That thing's expensive as all get out. And I honestly don't even know what the Super ATV other thing is right now. I don't even know. So stay tuned. Is that like a bar? It may be a rear bumper for this. I just can't remember. So, but I'm done with this video, and I'll post another one once I get into that one there. So God bless. Have a great Sunday.